The Repco 2400 amp Jumpstarter is a portable power source suitable for all 12-volt, 4, 6 and 8-cylinder petrol vehicles and up to 7-litre diesel vehicles. This powerful Jumpstarter is fitted with a 12-volt, 44 amp-hour AGM sealed battery. Its smart charging system allows you to leave it on charge indefinitely without the worry of overcharging the battery. The low voltage warning system activates automatically when the battery drops below 50% of its total capacity, indicating charge is required. Plus, additional protection is provided from the reverse polarity alarm, which will alert you if you've connected the clamps incorrectly. The Repco 2400 amp Jumpstarter also features fully insulated professional grade clamps, an extra long 1.6 metre battery cable, 12-volt DC and 2.0 amp USB power sockets which can be used for powering a variety of appliances, and a powerful built-in 36 LED light for roadside vehicle repairs. Its compact design and flexibility of use make it ideal for travel, home and workshop use.